Hi everyone, my name is Kate Woodman and I am a commercial and fine art photographer based out of Portland, Oregon. One of the things I come across all the time as a photographer is this belief that in order to make really good quality images, you have to spend a lot of money. This is one of the most inaccurate and dangerous ideas in photography because it prevents so many people from utilizing one of their most important and free assets, their creativity. So many people will write off an idea as too expensive and give up on it rather than try to make it work. So that's exactly why I wanted to put together this course, to teach people how to think outside the box so that they can create amazing work with whatever resources they have. Like many of you, I'm a self-taught artist and I started my photography journey with very little money. So I had to learn how to work with the spaces and the resources I had available to me. Even after 10 years as a commercial photographer, I still shoot most of my personal work in my own home on a very small budget. In this class, I want to give you the tools to elevate your art, starting with the fundamentals of creating ideas, then getting into how to use things like lighting and color and styling to bring your ideas to life. I want to show you how to use location, any location, to its greatest potential. I'll even cover ways we can create our own sets and bring them to life. I also want to help set you up for success with regard to financing a shoot and teach you how to budget for a particular concept. By the end of this class, my hope is for you to gain not only a sense of practical skills, but more importantly, a sense of empowerment and excitement, so you feel enabled to create with what you have rather than weighed down by what you don't. I'm Kate Woodman, and this is Class 101.